Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a big Dollar Tree haul. I actually spent $41, and it was really easy to do. They've got so much new stuff in there, I can't believe it. Two things that I purchased and I don't have down here are 2 tubs of ice cream for $1.25. Like our whole freezer section and cooler, everything's $1.25. So, I got 2 of those, chocolate chip ice cream and peppermint bonbon. And food-wise, put this out of the way, I found these, the tropical fruit mix. And some of the description's not the greatest. For the banana chips, bananas, coconut oil, white refined sugar, banana flavoring. So I'll see how it is. The papaya is papaya and sulfur dioxide. Color pineapple. Oh, color retention. So just kind of a few little chemicals. But I thought I'd give it a try. I also got 2 chips of the 2 bags of the bagel chips. But those are gone. We ate them. And then I got this for me, double stuffed vanilla, and Scrubby I got him a double stuffed chocolate cookie. Then I got my favorite relish. I love this relish. It is so good. I better move this. I'm already out of grammar. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm still struggling with the breathing issue from my cancer treatment. Anyways, not to bring that up all the time. So I love this. If you haven't tried it, it's great. It's so good. I've never bought this kind of garlic. I usually chop it up. But I thought I'd see what it's like. Because sometimes cooking, you can just throw this stuff in. It's not a big deal. Found some kosher dills. I can't wait to try one because I love kosher dill pickles. So, and then with the ice cream I found these not cute, sugar cones that I've kind of been collecting food boxes to make some cute journals. So I kind of bought it more, not just for the cones, for our ice cream, but for the box because it's awesome. Then I found these. I never saw these before. And our lower level or basement, our lower level basement is kind of musty because I've got a lot of old books and papers, and so I want to put these out. Try to pull some of that out of the air. Then I found these for some projects for Christmas crafts. Those will be coming up. I found these. I already used them. They're nice and because I have kind of bony hair, and that's like kind of arthritis. I gotta go like this. I hope I'm in camera. But these are really soft. They cut pretty good. If I get it there. So, those will be nice to use. That is for a rug in our dining room. It's really thin and it kind of slips a lot. So I want to put these down and see if this stops. And it can do it on hardwood tile linoleum. Oh, and I need a new of those. And Scrubby kind of gets itchy foot, so I got this for him. He can do an Epsom bath or foot powder or both. They've got so much stuff. Well, I'm not done yet. That I haven't seen ever. I also bought a one of those clear round cover things for the microwave because our other one was getting pretty crummy. Oops. Just bumped it. Found these for grocery list. And I found this. Thought this will be interesting. Shelfie clutter clearing ideas. It's kind of just to make your things look nice. Your shelves and your clutter. Oh, that's glittery. But I thought that was kind of interesting. I love that. Like that green. So this will be fun. For $1, everything was $1.25. I didn't see anything. Like they have the one aisle where it's $3 to $5 or whatever. Otherwise, everything in the, I think I already said, in the freezer and cooler section was $1.25, and the rest of the store was all $1.25. They also have a ton of movies. We love Donald Sutherland. He's really good. American Hangman. I never heard of these. I think I heard of this one with what's her name? Oh, Mia Farrow. Is that Sandy Dennis? I don't think so. Betty Buckley. Blythe Danner, Gene Hackman. Ooh, Ian Holm. John Houseman. Wow, it's oh, that's Gina Rollins. And that it's all-star cast. I think Woody Allen did it. Yeah. And then I love this guy. He's so cute. And Scarlett. And Julianne. So these will be fun. Then this is the coolest thing. For eggs. And you can slide it right onto, I already tried, it works. Slide it right onto your shelf. That's nice. For $1.25. Isn't that crazy? So that's my haul. It's been a while. Hadn't been for a while. Excuse me, I kind of lost my train of thought. So thanks for watching, and get on to your Dollar Tree store. It's actually $1.25 tree. That's what we started calling it now. But thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.